Wow. Team Deadly Hertz. Could you tell me your name and what's in here first?
Yeah, Austin Claiborne. There's two DC Audio level 618s on two 7.5Ks. Then I have 16 8s, 6 tweeters, and then I got a stunt wall on the back.
Team Deadly Hertz?
Yep.
Nice. Mr. Clean Fabrications?
Yep.
All right. You did all this?
Yeah.
This is nice, man.
Thanks. Dude.
Really good. What did you get meter-wise out of it?
It does a 156.
156? Wow. And what was it wired to on the amps?
Half each.
Half, okay. I think last time, I heard it about 2 years ago, I thought it was 15s. These are 18s,
yeah,
wow.
They've always been 18s,
Damn.
just doubled the power.
Yeah.
It didn't really pick up too much, but it just got really efficient.
Yes, sir.
So, and then now I have 7 Group 31s in the back, where I had 3 before.
Yep. How did your meter score go from 1 to 2 amps?
It picked up just a few tenths, really, because before, when I had just the one 7.5K, I was down at a quarter ohm.
Okay.
So it didn't pick up too much, but like I said, it just got more efficient.
You got more efficient, you could demo better, and then you didn't have to really worry about your amp probably protecting, cutting off, overheating. They're good. Yeah.
Fun.
Awesome. Thank you. What was your name?
Problem. Austin.
Austin. Thank you, Austin.
Not a problem, dude.
Your doors are heavy.
Yeah, they are.
That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Nice work. You have a good night. Is there any way I can see the batteries?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Mr. Clean Fabrication. You never decided to put your monoblocks back here? Just keep them up front?
Yeah, because I have AC in there.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you.
Not a problem, dude.
Wow. Team Deadly Hertz. Does it do better window up or down?
Down.
Down. All right. single, this little space.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you, man.
Not a problem, man.
I think last time I heard it about 2 years ago. I thought it was 15s. These are
No,
18s.
yeah,
Wow.
no, they've always been 18s.
Damn.
Just doubled the power.
Yeah.
We be doing that you